1. Protection from cancer. Rice, especially brown rice, is rich in fiber, which acts as a shield against cancerous cells, thereby protecting the body against cancer. Credit third-party image reference. 2. Say bye-bye to constipation. Rice is an excellent source of healthy fiber. These help in the growth of beneficial bacteria that improve digestion and regularize the bowel movement. Credit third-party image reference. 3. Good for skin. Powdered rice can be applied on skin to cure many types of skin ailments. The phenolic compounds present in rice water have anti-inflammatory properties, so they are also good for soothing irritation and redness. The antioxidant capacity also helps delay the appearance of wrinkles and other premature signs of aging that can affect the skin.
Yeah.